today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Poco C65. So if you have a problem with the Bluetooth device at the start, always start from the simplest way, just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection. You can also try to restart your phone. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated Pyro mode, and how to activate Pyro mode you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone, open the settings, then go to the connection sharing and swipe down to the reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Click on reset settings and tap on the OK button. After that, look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to up your system, so you have to open the above phone and choose the MIUI version. If you have any updates, just install it and check for your device again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.